Good afternoon, 4Bs. How are you doing? We're going to do a little bit of subtraction today, four-digit numbers, in preparation for some of our new work in decimal subtraction. So we're going to bring it back a little bit to the days when we were doing four-digit by three-digit subtraction. So here we go. Masood has created a website. He's created a website for Maud Clifford, and he's now wanting to know how many people were using the website on Friday and how many people were using the website on Saturday. So this is a subtraction question. The actual question is how many people visited the website on Friday than on Saturday. So we're going to compare the two. We're using this here as well to help us with, and hopefully everybody can see that. We've separated the place values and so forth. So we're going to work from the right and then kind of work our way across to get this answer. Here we have 6 take away 1. Or 1 take away 6. This is not going to happen because you're going to get into a negative number. So what we have to do is regroup. We have to look to the tens column, and we cross this one out, and we take 10. Okay, so we take 10 from the tens column, and this now will be 1 plus 10 is 11. Okay, so now we're going to work with the ones column. 11 take away 6 would be 5. And over here we look at, 20. Okay, so this is 30, take away 50. Will that happen? No, that cannot happen as well because we get into negative numbers as well. So what we're going to do here is now take 100. Now, can we take 100? We can't really take 100 from the hundreds column. So what we have to do is now look to the thousands column. And we're going to take and borrow and regroup 1,000. So this was a 2,000. Now this will become 1,000. And we're going to put 0 here. So we're going to make this 1,000. Okay? So 1,000. 1,000 take away 800 would be 2. And over here, this was 1,000. So 1,000 take away our 0 is 1,000. And now what we have to do is borrow. Now, do we do this correctly? No, we're going to back it up just a little bit, and we're going to just rewind and say that this is 1,000 right here. And we want to borrow 1,000 from the hundreds column, and that'll become 900. And we're going to borrow or regroup 100 to our tens column. And when we had our 20 and we added 100 to the tens column, it becomes 120. 120 take away 50, or 12 take away 5, okay, is 7D. 7D, or 7. And then 9 take away 8 is 1. And then if we want to, we can do our check. Our check is 1,175 plus 856. This is 5 and 6 are 11. Regroup. 7, 8, and 13. 13 there, and then regroup, and 800 plus 100 plus 100 is 1,000, and then we regroup another 1,000 over to the thousands column. 1,000 plus 1,000 is 2,000. So our answer is 2,031. That is for our addition check, and that is correct. So 2,031 all the way up to here, 2031, we know that that is correct. And then we can double check that. So hopefully this makes sense. If not, we can do another one later on. We're just going to keep them simple. We're going to have a look at to see whether you like this method of putting it on the backboard and making our own little whiteboard that we have in our classroom. Other than that, hopefully all is well with you guys, and so forth. What else? I will see you later. Take care.